Ago. The robot ATF me mama kwaba eba the robot jumedie so. Me din chia kese efi eye nana odi asempa ahemfie ena me de bremo. Ye frɛ me Kobranya ne the robot eni baako pɛ anka wo the whole Ghana. Enkomo aye ho ana ye de bremo ye hyase efi eye relationships. Send ye be ye benya healthy happy relationship. Say your relationship wana ye ni oba ne bema enkita hodie mu no se bibia be ye tototo bibia be kwa asomdwe mu enigye bebe mu a na I was say you hunu niam I was say ye to have that healthy relationship bia e was say yesi esi bribi so relationship bia ebe ye o enyo eya na ejina fapem ana foundation ye the basis so se wu si brebia wasase so when you are trying to build anything you need a foundation wu si bibia wu here foundation until when you are building a relationship you need a foundation and the right foundation for relationship the right foundation ne your friend trust. So obi obetumi do ho ato no so. Trust. Just say onipa na wo de ho to no so a eyeye. Enti tworo konkron kra ya tworo wo mu se okwasea ne esi ni dan si ahwe mu okwasea de onsi ni dan ensi eye fapem so foundation so. Enti se wo pese wo build a healthy happy relationship. Na chere say we here foundation I didn't trust foundation. A relationship without trust et say yes kwasea no do si ne dan esi ahwemu na enframa kakra bi boy ya ehum kakra bi tu ya. So if you don't build on a right foundation, a solid foundation, any little thing be anything small air not even a wind small bibia keke fu keke cry to me breaking no because a lot of relationships are suffering because they lack a solid foundation which is trust foundation. Not just anybody who will enter into relationship without a trust is a fool because I say kwasia the osine dan see ahwem like so if you are going into a relationship and you know that the person that you are entering into a relationship with or the person that you are trying to build a relationship with is not a trustworthy person and you still go ahead to enter into a relationship with, that means yet that person no know your problem. That person is not a fool. But you choosing or you trying to go out or you building a relationship with somebody who is not trustworthy, you the chooser or you the person who picked that person is a fool because also near way CS or until when you are building a relationship now one building a relationship with our foundations we a fool. And the foundation for every healthy relationship is trust. More often, why wouldn't him say a brandy or this man that you are trying to build relationship with is somebody that you can't trust. But you look at the looks, the pockets, the good, the material, the things that would me say be perish. And yama any dachi. Then would your precious life, your precious heart, and then enter into relationship. Meanwhile, who wouldn't say this lady you can't trust her. This lady on you be a to me trust me. If that person is somebody that you can't trust, why do you still enter? Hoping that when enter your best son is not true because you don't build, and after building you come and change the foundation. If the foundation is not good, then the building does not have any future. So foundation and don't think of good relationship. If trust in new one, don't think of healthy relationship. No. Because we see them here now, we can say foundation, oh baby boo, and that means you have to collapse. And nothing as a do baby, as a relationship, no. A bra, we say from a bona, because trust in your foundation, no, and yet. So let us all try as much as possible to build our relationship on trust, which is the foundation. It's not love. You don't build a healthy relationship on love. You build it on trust. Because love is just the structure. Love is a structure. It makes it beautiful. Love is beautiful. Life is this. Love. So you can't put a beautiful thing under the sun. So that's why we build our foundation under. So that the beautiful thing is, which is the building, is built on the foundation. So if you want to have a beautiful, if you want to maintain a beautiful building, then you must equally have first the trust, which is the foundation, should be solid. So don't think about love first too. When you want to build a relationship, think about the trust first. If this person that you are trying to enter into relationship is this and that, he's somebody you can't trust, don't bother yourself, my brother, my sister. It means the building will collapse very soon. That means the building will not see light. When you enter into a relationship with love being your prime component, then matter relationship no ebefe no na abonte obi ehun say hey but mudu fear, you know, you yourself, you know that you are not, the relationship is bad, but you try to fake when you come, when you are walking outside, you try to fake for people to see, think say, oh, your relationship is okay, but you yourself know that there is no even a relationship in the first place. You know that you built your relationship on, let's say, no foundation. So don't think about love first when you are entering into a relationship. Think about the first material or the first component that you need to build that beautiful relationship that you are always desiring. Then you should look for solid foundation, which is trust. Because of time into Mami Fancy and Musi, the next episode say Nana Sumamia Messiah Edin Komona Bro, na ya chere the trust. What and what? Adia Bema when said this person can be trusted. Remember be chere the trust mu before you call love mu, because we are building a relationship. So till then, you yourself be a trustworthy person. You'll be a day ya hoto so a ye. Yakupon ka ho, nyame hira. Yada wase se wenya mre etie kobena nyane. Nkomo a medi free eye nana odi asempa ahimfie ede bro e wo dewrubo edwumadie yi so. Till say ye be hie bi o. God bless you. Make sure say you run away from trouble. Bye bye.